Looking for a great table saw for your next project? Look no further than Baumr-AG's BTB55. At its heart is a high-torque 2,000-watt motor that offers two speed options that spin a 10-inch blade, giving you the flexibility to best deal with different materials. The adjustable height blade can be raised up to 85 mils so you can get the right combination of performance and safety for each workpiece. The blade can be tilted to 45 degrees for accurate mitered bevel and compound cuts. And with a quick-to-adjust rip fence and the sliding miter jig, it's easy to repeat the cuts. You also get a laser guide for ultimate precision, as well as a push stick for safe working, and the sturdy stand has anti-tip supports. The deck with its side tables gives you an 850mm width and a depth of 830, which is plenty of room to work on your projects and easily large enough to handle a standard sheet of plywood. By adding a roller stand, you can tackle even bigger jobs. And with one of Baumr's dust extractors, keeping your workspace clean is easy. So what are you waiting for? Get the job done right. Buy smarter, buy a Baumr.